Okay, here we go. There it is. This is the router table. Put these router controls in here. So you press start and press the big red button off, turn it off. This crank here. This lowers the bit down. You can see it's going down. So that's what that does. You can take this out, put it in this hole, and lock it. Now, whoops. Now it's locked, so it won't move. And here's the great idea you had. This is fantastic. This is how it ended up. Here's the handle. Now look, look. Can you see how hard I'm pulling this? Look. I mean, look at this. The whole table's moving. It won't come out of there. But yet with one finger, pop it. There's the magnet. There's the drawer. All kinds of cool stuff in there. And to close it, that's it. Love it. So anyways, that's the table, Jay. Worked good. I made my first piece. Show it to you. There's my first piece. This is a better profile. You can see the profile. It's a practice piece, so you can see it's got some mistakes, but anyway. Yeah, and I had to make it in 2 sections. So, there you go.